Hi, my name is Tamisha and I'm from the channel The Whitmores. Today I wanted to bring you guys a quick little video on how I apply my false nails. So let's get started. So one day I said to myself, why not try these press-on nails to see what they're all about, see how they work. And I went to Sally's and purchased a few. I also went to Walmart and purchased a few. And I must say the designs are gorgeous. So I tried it. I liked it. It lasts, I kid you not, for about 7 to 8 days. I kid you not. So ever since that day that I put those false nails on, I've been wearing them ever since. And like I said, it's become so addictive. Every time I go to Sally's, every time I go to Walmart, I always check to see what new designs they have. Some of them, you need glue to apply them. I don't really care for those ones. I have tried it, and they do last. But the downside is, you may have one nail that is ready to come off, but then you may have 7 or 8 that's really stuck to your nail. So I don't like that. With the adhesives, they're all ready to come off at around the same time. And if they're not, all you have to do is just tug it a little and it comes right off. And there's no mess. You just have a little residual tape on your nail, but it's not as, intense as the glue. So I do prefer the adhesive. But like I said, the nails are they're so nice. And it's convenient for me. I like it. It's worth it. So I don't get the gel manicures anymore at this time. I just wear my press-ons. And they're so pretty. I get compliments on these nails all the time. People be like, oh my God, your nails are so pretty. And I'm like, what? These are press-ons. They're like, what? Are you serious? Yeah, girl, press-ons. So I just thought, maybe somebody else out there may be interested in trying it. So thought I would bring you guys a video. Okay, this is the little case that I keep my little packs of nails in. And as you see, I have quite a few. I think these are the ones that I'll be wearing today. The name brand is Impress. And I brought these from Walmart. But, I mean, they're so, so cute. Very, very cute. These are all different designs. This one I used already, but that's how the nail looks. There's still a few left over in there. I even bought a little case to keep all my nails in. These are the brand Dashing Diva. These I bought from Sally's. Aren't they pretty? These are like a chrome color. These ones I've already opened and now. But these are the ones that I will be applying today. And the name of the company again is Impress. These are press-on one-step gel nails, and there's no glue needed. There is an adhesive tape on the inside of the nail that you can see right here. But the tape needs to face the cuticle, so this is the correct way to apply it. So all you do is just remove that adhesive, place it right there, line it up with your cuticle, press firmly for about a few seconds and your nails are in place. But prior to applying the nail, you need to, just buff the top of your finger just to make the surface a little rough. Then wipe the nail off with the alcohol swab. Then you apply the false nail and you're good to go. Okay, so I'm going to open the package. And this is how the nails come. There's a little plastic on the outer side that helps keep the nails in place. And then it comes with a little wooden stick, like to clean up your nails if you have any dirt in your nails. And this is the alcohol wipe for you to use to wipe your nails off. And then a little emery board to file the outer part of your nail. So all three of these come in the package. Then I'm going to size the nails up to my fingernail, and then I'm going to apply the nail. Okay, so I'm going to apply the nails to my finger. So I'm going to apply the false nails to my real fingernails. So what I do is, I do it this way. I take one of these little emery boards that come with the nail kit, and I just file it along my real fingernail just to make the surface a little rough, and I do that to each nail. And then I take this alcohol swab and I just wipe it over my nail until till all the little grit from the filing of the nail is removed. Then I take my first nail. I don't know why, I always start from the pinky and then work my way over. So I'm going to pick the nail up, and right here is the little adhesive that I'm going to remove. Now that adhesive that part of the nail, rather, the fake nail, has to be facing the cuticle. That's how you apply it. So you remove the adhesive, then I just line it up with my real fingernail, trying to get as close to the cuticle as possible. And then I just hold it down for a few seconds just to make sure it's adhering. And then I do the same with the rest of my fingers. Just so I won't confuse myself and forget which end had the adhesive on it, I always face it towards the nail that I'm going to apply it to. So I remove the adhesive, and then I'm going to apply it to that nail. And just hold it in place for a few seconds just to make sure that it adheres.
Perfect.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this little press-on nail tutorial was helpful for someone. So, thank you for watching. Have a blessed night, and look forward to more videos from the Whitmores. Make sure if you watch this video, you hit that subscribe button. Like, that's the only way you really will be notified of any new videos from the Whitmores. So again, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified of any new videos from the Whitmores, and have a safe night. Peace. This is my perfume collection for the winter time. These are all nice little scents. Isn't this the cutest bottle of perfume? It's a little shoe. And this perfume is called Good Girl, and the designer name is Carolina Herrera. Isn't that bottle cute? And it smells so nice. Nice warm scent for the winter. This here is Gucci Bloom. Fairly new. It's a nice light scent. Very, very nice. This here is Queen by Bond No. 9. Very nice warm scent for the wintertime. And then I have my trusted Flower Bomb by Victor and Wolf. Very nice scent for the autumn and winter. I love that scent. Just wanted to show you my little perfume that I'm wearing for the winter.